景，在泥土上按骆驼上面用彩排，我是小主人的生活呢，空가지잖아요。在你们心中那家庭的我，可撒泼路过呢，个人做普上的拍，跟着爱来干的爱人，爱个人做这个把轻松，这个轻松个那是那几块，你人你用彩排，爱干过呢，你是彩的，奈可能做，个人的梦。Sora ane inyong ko, ha aslinya na Sora ane ko, kelumpa nga ay, sunong sindi nga ay. Sora ane ko, nanon siyam nga ay, karanay kanisun ay, kunong kumtong inong ay, isa, ang kalo ay, sinang aakyo isam ay. Simple latte nga ay Mara isang nga ay Injing man ay siya Ang kabu ay siya Jai man ay raw Kabugura nga ay Yung pet Kamna nga ay Yung pet Kamsang nga ay Yung pet Nitna nga ay siya Yung pet, good strong eye. Now I would like to read 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verses 3 to 7 in English. If I give all I possess to the poor and give over my body to hardship that I may boast but do not have love, I gain nothing. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoice with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always preserves. 用 pet 嚟煮咗個白菜。